all. They already designed it. They already. Mishkila tara is de denga kadu fijia kala dabatam. Salva Kiir bagot fi kursi da. No Salva Kiir fat denka watan mukuju malda. They already the promise is a done deal. So now lazim yalamu junubin be nizam bata jesh. Be jibu denka juwa the Santino Umbari Dengwol ila nona besabab kulu. Wala Santino we will have opinion. Santino Dengwol bukun kwez min muno min bol min fall nang. Da nona junubin tane da de. Ya na nona mabasa le be jibu denka brao. Lakin we debating Santino Dengwol bukun asen min muno bukun asen min fall nang. Ubang na bukun la fall nang kan zol kwez. Da nona gabel tane del. We're not asking for our right. Le dola gada kamu bagabila white. Jesh gada kamu bagabila white. Kursi bita rais gada kamu bagabila white. Rais de min gabila denka. Wazir rifa de min gabila denka. Gadal jesh de min gabila denka. Bataganun de min gabila denka. Anono mabasa alle. Lakin anono gadi shakal fiya tu denka wal kwez uya tu denka wal batal. Le lan jengda zim being practiced. Gada kudu fi mumtanas so we can get used to it. So we can get used to it. They all are Salva Kiir gada malabal. Salva Kiir ma father bezol b'tashol. Salva Kiir is practicing jengda zim. Gada lamu junubin batarega bata okum denga. Until we get used to it, we will never see tane that fi mekila fogo le denga bakam nas brow. Itama basal tane le ma jabu Nuer fi Malta jej le ma jabu Shuluk le ma jabu Zande le ma jabu Murle. Inde na gada ta jej kulu yoda na yaw. Indana nazola nyenak almachi ma Salva Kiir indana naz kongchora anle lebe jibu wale lebe shilo min minister min defense minister le wale akar wale le ma beselamu le ma la jet kongchora anle why lebe shilo kongchora anle min mal bata defense minister le mal akar mal o jibu den ka fi mal bataw asa o man gadi ngade cholton ya wazir rifa wara ta wala fi fall nang den kawe Salva Kiir gad fog na adal ba guide ya de angran guide and the country is run based on jengdazim lakin manaz magadi shuf we fighting about the leadership that they fit den kawe kwes u fit den kawe batal fit den kawe kwes u den fall nang da kan katala nona kada jibu den kawe tane you know. That's what's going on for South Sudan. Then people are asking, Le Salva Kiir ma ba no, Salva Kiir is practicing jengdazim. The country is run based on Denk ideology. We have to get used to it. We have to get used to it according to Denga. We have to get used to it. That's why gari la kamo nana. De be jibu bara o de be dol be jibu was fall mang jai. Shekal ma olan. Pimal white. Ma kong shora lay. Uja shalo bara. Jara jautane. Lo fall nang the mazol quest. O ma bagdar chokol batao. He cannot perform his duty. Why are you bringing back? Ma you looking for solution, right? Zola shalo bara de. Shano ma sharp chokol batao. Lebar jaw zola kan shalo bara. Ma fi junub fiu nas kutar. Junub fiu nas mutalimin. Aktar min fall nang. Junub fiu nas jesh. Michi bil from before fall nang. Fall nang de jamar batana de. Lakin Finas, nazo lande. Charles la, ukudu lan kan Charles la, fall nang ma fi bimidan. Olan ukid kan Charles la, fall nang kan ma fi bimidan. Olan Charles la fu umur ratala tajar fi bil pamene, fi gedam shiga yatem. Gedam shiga yatem yo kan karajo. Olan is more qualified bi mal jay than fall nang de, than nada gari than Santino den wole. Kong chora lede, de bata jamus. De jamus. De katiba wan manat John Grang. Yan ejibu kudu fi wale yamchi shakal ba Nuer badali kudu fi mal ya malu formod le fok nazalu. Bejibu fi mal ta difa wuzir rifa. Uji rajao warra o yela ina gadi kudu fi mal ta denga ina. U gadi kul shunu ina be jengda zim. Oh, that's gadi shakal ma dollar. He's fighting dollar. That dollar gal Kong Chorale Uma Siaze, he's not a politician. He's a military man. And the country cannot be run, Upper Nile cannot be run based on a military. Upper Nile should be run based on political. Lan Upper Nile brow, but yo die bus state. Die bus is state for Sudan. Upper Nile brow bus, yo few gabel kutar. Bagin talga daga bila white, tamji fi baiti daga bila white. Tamji fi rumbega daga bila white. Tamji wen daga bila white. Lakin fi Victoria daga bila white. Lakin fi afanal, anona comes like a tribe. We are the more diverse state for Sudan Kolo. So it should not be run based on military. It should be run based on political. Lana comes a group de kulum. Gabele kulum, umani to vision batam. Zul wada bejibu askeri de bejibu shakal da salvakir. Nazal Garden he said that man has Kulu. Why should you run the state based on political? But I just. Lakin yo, well, but I imagine Shakal now, you try to show Denga that I will do exactly a judge, but I young does him. That's why he mentioned 3 names in Denga. Is even though you can shagal my, is even though you do that, but I'll nil. Tormin Bun, you can shagal my, Tormin Bun, you do, but I'll nil. Denga Joe, you can shagal my, Denga Joe, you do, but I'll nil. Why should you mention this individual? Aishan, he is sending a message that I'm coming to do exactly what Jeng does him. One, the Machol by said. Lano later Chakal by said, you cannot mention. You can feel but I said that not Mutalimin, not the Toradung about it. Warriors, but I feel it. Not the Tolama Colin, that's what I said down there. Not Dope Bishop, that's what I said down there. Nas kun point the nas, but I said down there. Why should you mention the only Denka brow? Would the Denka Zero Mother if you lie? They your Denka Zero cattle nas for liar. Told me window you can cattle nas, Jezer nas for liar that, Jezer Nuer, Jezer Chuluk, Jezer Maban. Is even builder, shall group but oil, Amal terrors with Akal Malakal. Amal terrors with Akal Madan. Wong Laliakal Malayan, but Salari Malakale, the moon job Salari, my days even do. So why should you say this even though I'm alive? They are terrorists of Kabir. They are terrorists of Kabir. They not the Sherbak Walayat Alanil. That's why Alanil Lel Maganu Malwai, the Calamity is even there. So when you say in public, and you mentioning them, but I dang of Robert, that is even there, who told me Boon, who dang I do, shall but agree with Elkan in time in Malakal. You mentioning their name, the Wale. Junubin del Bar with the Wale, the agenda, but I young does them. Lakin we don't see that. Another guy, Shakal with the Kalam there to Denka will quest, or there to Denka will batal, one of them we shuf Mushru but Salmakir, practicing young does them. You know, now, Final Bogolia, Kwana, I did ever Karabuke, Karabukalas, oh Karabukalas, you must be one. Look to God for Junub Sudan, we to God for Juba, Zibit. Mother Kalam Budu to Kumada, clap for that government. It's a God for Juba, you must be one. It's a God for Juba. It's a God for Juba, it's a Denka, it's a Shulka, it's my baby, Jato Kumada. Do not become a victim. Clap for that government. Lo Salbakir Jabit of a degree, Kush, Lo Nalgal Serek. Do not correct that government. Finas got amal correction of that government. Now the good, I'll guard for America, Umani over Garu Kumada. Now the good shagal ma hukuma ta America, shagal ma UN, shagal ma munu, sanction after sanction after sanction, dole ma ba ji mal, dole wa gafu mal wa dere, fiyeta UN. Lana na the good shagal, na the toro kuinde shagal, na the bara de junubin shagalin fi ay mal, siyazin media na shagalin hukuma de bagaro. One day we will wake up, fi Junubu Sudan hukuma da is gone. Lakin, gabal hukuma da ma yishilo bara hukuma da baktu las. Ma basibi da ita Denkawi, ma basibi da ita Shulkawi, ma basibi da ita Nwerawi, ma basibi da ita God for Juba, you run your mouth, you dead. Boktulita. Ita God for Juba, but you run your mouth. That's an uncle kuma karaj. Wo kuma nagmat ran no gonna ran police. And when you police, I should knock with knowledge, which you look at it the wall of a segenator. Loite John Frog ita da amal raba gane bata da chubu hukuma da danga kadubula gala hukuma da danga hukuma jeng and then the jabara ta wal ta yana hukuma kana hukuma jeng wo jeng ma ba malu zere ta wal sejen am ci sejen na gwai then the name dinga is used But Denga is not benefiting from it. And you cannot do nothing about it. The name Dinga is used by them to gain popularity, to gain support. But Denga mambu suit bikalam de, or Denga mambu suit bikalam de, Oman shagalin. Oman ma shagalin fi Junub Sudan. Lana fi Junub Sudan, ite shulka, ite Nuera, ite mugan de murder to shagal hukuma da. Lakin fi Junub Sudan, there's a limitation to Denga movement or activities. Ite Denga, ite murder fi Junub Sudan baktolita. You will never succeed. You will never succeed. Militarily, if you Sudan, why? Like SPLA been in Dinka life for many years. Since Bilpam was created in 1983. SPLA there is controlling Dinka land completely. You cannot survive in Dinka land waging a war militarily. Never. You cannot survive. Forget SPLA. But there is a place Dinka can survive. Dinka al-Gad Bara, Uman Gad Kalam, Uman Baktif, Uman Bakalam UN. Woman Bakalam, Denga is talking. Don't worry about it. Denga is talking. Ajada gada malu griba de budugujan fishara de jana bata Denga. Lo de bit sagar banado a book amullo aja batal fi nosun bargazan de bit bata Denga. Ajada de Denga ma bayebu. So Denga shagal malata and one day another Genovin we will wake up. That's Okuma da in Takalas fight. Yakwana when Omer Bashir. Where is Omer Bashir? Bebuno Shalude. Where no Bashir? Where is he? Utumna the kan jai in Sudan, and a jai in PSPLA. Like Utumna the kan jai in Sudan. Did you ever think that one day Ukuma Bashir, Bashilo Bara or Bashir Bashino, Fizzle can figure the young white that Begul Kabiru Bashir can end of Sudan, controlling people. Bashir Bajil Begul, Allah, what now? Kulu Bajin, you will pretend to be a Muslim. Lana zol into war. The raise into war. God fukum by the end of 13 Senate. Bejazar finas. Ma fizol fikri yon wa daru merfishir beshilo bara. Kalam da bogolo janta salva kede ma go beshilo bara. Lakin tamazol el fijunu de beshilo bara. Tamazol el fijuba de beshilo bara. You can then be encouraged. Aizol bogol le jinubin that tal bara pisiga fijuba and protest. Amal muzarat it is all blade. It is all blade. Ukuma zede magada malo muzarat. Lana Ukuma, they have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. They did not build anything. We used to be you for you, but they have Mara, they Mahamara Vitam. The Hamara Tahabai, the Hotel Tahabai, the Moya but Somali, Ajat Kulu Dajat but a foreigner. So this government they have nothing to lose. Oh, it's a budget bar. That's why woman Gablan Bishakala Faymal, woman Bishakala Faymal, and they have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. Ukuma al-Garamal al-Maharat, al-Garamal Siga Yabushu Yakwana Siga, and an amal become Guru. And an amal over 6 billion. Kubur Malakal, they were 6 million. I, Ulona Shakal Malakal, $6 million raw saget. Kalas. Let's talk. Let's do dialogue. Nakalam, Kalam Kushum, Tulada Mai Darabo, Rebel Talgum, Utum Daring Chumbadaf. Bella de Mabakarabutana, Bella de Chupajada, got a lumdam, such for Ajade Karabutana, or Nabda Mindirit. Now, Tal the Kalam Mikila Badam, you know, Kalam Mikila Belo, Ashana Jadamai Damaro, and shall Grukatir, or shall energy. Like, you know, look at South Sudan. You know, we know why that's. They like to tell us that you know, we know I should have a lie. Yakwana will lie without service. The man will lie. Wallahi without service, the man wallahi. Wallahi into service sure as a Juba but so Juba bus and so Sudan been reduced to one state. To one state. You know they wallahi white. Wallahi they open out wallahi Juba. That's why Salbakir Bogol I men are going to tell you Juba and Michal man. I Ubogola loyalty because Taban for Billet Bitagumena, Tal for Juba. Tal for Juba. Tal for Juba. Ajat Kulu Tal for Juba. Come to Juba. Come to Juba. Come to Juba. When you talk about SPLIO will go to Juba to capture Juba, they dream. Like in reality, it will never happen. They dream. You have to dream big. SPLIO, they're dreaming big that they will capture Juba. No, you cannot capture Juba with Mamas Baintil. SPLIO, you have to capture Baintil. You cannot capture Juba with Mamas Nasser. Nasser Mugaza. Ita Mamasago. Ulang Mugaza, ita Mamasago. Long show Mugaza ida mamasago. In your own land, you're not controlling anything. How can you control Juba? Like in the motivation, that's another benefit Juba. They rabat to make the government shake, but in reality, ma bizol ba wusel Juba. La Juba they are wide. And it's well protected. The ma it is low to drop sala Juba, it be shackle my UN. Low to drop sala Juba, it be shackle my UN. La UN they already have about. Judge with the UN kulu guy for Juba. Judge with the America guy for Juba. Ma pi judge ma for Juba. Low to drop sala Juba, it a guy shackle man as a column. So why do you waste your time? No. That's why rebel kulu they fell. Lana woman there shackle for Juba, woman for Floyd. Floyd your income. They your income with Okuma. Later for Floyd. Floyd they your group with Okuma. Group will got a bill, Tayara the Budugu rebel, Jamin Floyd. Tayara the got a Dug rebel, Bogum Floyd. Makala, just without a kulu shield of Floyd. Just without a kulu shield of Floyd. That's clear. Shackle Floyd, and shackle of the Floyd in the manner. Matams of Floyd to go to Floyd. Dummer Floyd, Arag Malda Benzimde. Work up Benzimde might be over. I shall declare Mokuma quest. Like in it was said, Benzim Shagal with Floyd, Umatar, but at Tayarat, but drop rebel, Bogum and Floyd. Utamki the Prince Salvakir for Juba. The world in Nuer Bogolagal young. Danga Bogolagal Rantinam Riakalas. Zola Garamala Jazade, there Rantinam Riak. The Mabam the Prince Salvakir for Juba, mal a few UN, few Nazkulu, which will say Floyd. Floyd your network with a group with a woman. Floyd was smart Malta and the map Benteo, the map and rule the Floyd was. Floyd they all war that you know Sudan. Lloyd the shield of Floyd, Ukuma Waka Kalas, Ukuma de Bakala Mark, Riak Mishar Bafago, Ajar Katira Belo, Salam Benafazo. Low Floyd Waka Fiat attack Salam to there the Benafazo. Chuckle de Bagi Bukura. Sal Bakin Map drops Latane. Lakin it a jar in our Galanamachi Juba. Juba Tamuno. Did you know Bedekal of Juba? Or did you lie wide with $1? Well protected. Not protected by Nasa Lagan, but by foreigner. Talga you, judge with the Uganda Fifogo, judge with the Kenya Fifogo, judge with the South Africa Fifogo, judge with the Somali Fifogo. Mappy, judge Mappy Juba. You know, it's about Juba the Kaimon. Who are you? That's why not government support will direct you. That I'm Juba. Lano man, Vadim Juba, Dare, a great man. A great man. Juba data maposel feel. That's why woman Bogola the world. Tal fi Juba. Ya utum rebel, lautunas go in Mamshi Juba ya. Lautunas go in Mamshi Juba ya. Lana, you they know very well you will never make it to Juba. You wasting people life, you wasting people energy, you wasting people money, you wasting people everything about Juba. You are a rebel as you there to get right of Sudan. Network with them. Money network. Target their money network. But how much deployed? Deployed bus map in Maltani. Deployed Sagare, they owe massive dollar. Deployed Sagare, your massive dollar. Deployed the Waga Fieta rebel. Kalas. Mawukida na Riak Michel can there adorable. Yella the well a mulu telephone at the wild Michel Mata adorable. Don't merpishiri Omal Calamde. Should be lead illegal could can down as the adorable. You look at the wall, Unadol and Munula, elite them up, the Murlano, elite the Waga, Ukuma Waga for Sudan. We lead the Waga Fieta down as the Ukuma Waga for Sudan Calam. Land your Malfu Grit. Illa down as the Asa Okuman Gaza, woman Sama Calam, Salvakir.